So for this tutorial I'm gonna use nature cotton yarn and 4mm crochet hook, and I'm gonna use only one strand of this, but if you want your loofah to be thicker than this, then you can use 2 strands in the same time. For me it's gonna be only this, and we'll see what it gives later on. So I thought as well, like I thought this loofah would be difficult to do, but it's very easy. Again, that's very good because I don't like complicated crochet projects. Okay, we'll start with a slip knot. Okay, and chain 2. One and 2. Okay, on the second chain from the hook I'm gonna make 20 single crochet. Okay, so I've got my 20 single crochet here in the circle. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna join, I'm gonna chain 40, or depending how long you want your chain to be, you do it. So I'm gonna chain 40 and then join back into this. So 1 2 3 . Okay, I've got my 40 chains and I'm gonna join into the circle over here, into the circle, not into the single crochet. Okay, now what we're going to do, so we've done 20 single crochet, so in every single crochet I'm gonna do 4 double crochet. It might be challenging in the beginning, but take your time while you're doing it and we will all get there. So I'll start first with chaining 3. 1 2 3. So this is considered the first double crochet for the first single, so I'll add only 3. So into the first single crochet, so 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, and then now I'm going to do 4 double crochet in each of the single double crochet. 1 2 3 and 4. So far everything is good. Next, 1 2 3 and 4. Next, 1 and the last one over here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the first row completed, and you see how it's already shaping. Now we're gonna do the next row exactly the same. So I'll join first, and it's very similar to when I work a circle. So I'm gonna repeat the same thing. I'm gonna chain 3 and 4 double crochet in each and every stitch again. So chain 3, and first stitch, of course, with a chain 3 I will add only 3 double crochet, and the next stitches is 4 double crochet each. So chain 3, so my first stitch is here, 1, 2, and you see how it's shaping now? It's starting to look nice. So is it full here? Yeah. Next. So I'm gonna finish this row and I'll come back to start the next row with you and see how many more we need to make. Okay. So this is row 2 completed, and then I'm gonna join over here again with a slip stitch, and you see how it is shaping into a nice loofah, or it looks very much like a desert rose. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add 3 more rows to make it bigger, and it depends on you how big you want it. So you add the same rows. So again, chain 3, 4 double crochet in each stitch. I will finish it and then I'll show you the final result once I'm done. Okay, so this is how big it is for now, how big I made it, and it's like 4 rounds or 4 rows of what we discussed, 4 double crochet in each stitch. So if you want to make it bigger, you continue with more rows, 2 to 3 more rows, but if you want a small one, then this is okay. Also, you can use a different thicker cotton yarn or any yarn you'd like, and this is the result. It's very pretty, isn't it? So that's it. I hope you find this tutorial easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.